Imagine this. You've just bought a brand new 4K TV. The visuals are breathtaking, colors pop, motion is silky smooth, but the moment you hit play the sound falls flat. There's no punch, no bass, dialogue feels hollow, and that's exactly where a soundbar comes in. But here's the twist. Most people connect it the wrong way and never unlock the real cinematic magic. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your soundbar to your TV the right way, mistake-free, and completely future-proof. One, why connecting properly matters. Before we jump into cables and settings, let's clear one thing. A soundbar isn't just a fancy speaker. It's designed to transform your flat TV sound into a surround-style, room-filling experience. But here's the catch. The connection method decides whether you get basic stereo or full Dolby Atmos with chest-pounding bass. A poor connection equals wasted money. A proper connection equals cinematic glory. Point 2. The different ways to connect a soundbar. There isn't just one way. Depending on your TV and soundbar model, you have 5 main options. HDMI ARC / eARC, the gold standard. Optical. Digital cable, reliable, but limited. Bluetooth wireless, convenient, but risky for lag. Wi-Fi / SmartCast, advanced wireless option. AUX / RCA, old school. Last resort. Each has strengths and weaknesses, so let's break them down one by 1.3. HDMI ARC and eARC. The best connection. If your TV and soundbar both have HDMI ARC or the newer eARC, congratulations. You've got the most powerful connection. ARC stands for audio return channel. It lets sound travel both ways, from TV to soundbar, and from soundbar back to TV. eARC is the upgraded version, supporting uncompressed audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS. How to connect. Take a high-speed HDMI cable, preferably HDMI 2.1. Plug one end into your TV's HDMI ARC / eARC port. Plug the other end into your soundbar's HDMI ARC / eARC port. Go into your TV settings. Enable HDMI ARC or CEC, sometimes called Anynet Plus on Samsung, SimpLink on LG, Bravia Sync on Sony. Why it's the best? Supports the highest audio quality. Point 1. Remote can control both TV and soundbar. Perfect sync between video and audio. If your setup supports HDMI eARC, you're in the big leagues. Point 4. Optical digital cable. The next best option if your TV is slightly older and doesn't have ARC. No problem. You can use an optical digital cable, Toslink. How to connect. Find the optical out port on your TV. Connect the cable to the optical in port on your soundbar. In your TV's audio settings, select Digital Optical Out. Pros, delivers clear digital audio, very reliable, no interference. Cons, can't handle advanced formats like Dolby Atmos. Separate remote control might be needed. Still, for most everyday setups, optical is a rock-solid choice. Point 5. Bluetooth wireless. Quick but risky. This one sounds tempting. No wires, instant pairing, and your soundbar doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. But here's the truth. Bluetooth can introduce lag. That's when lips move on screen, but the dialogue is half a second late. How to connect. Put your soundbar in Bluetooth pairing mode. On your TV, go to Bluetooth audio devices and select your soundbar. Done, but test for sync issues. When to use. Great for casual music streaming. Okay if you don't mind slight sync issues. Not ideal for serious movie nights or gaming. Point 6. Wi-Fi / SmartCast. The premium wireless high-end soundbars from brands like Sonos, Bose, and Samsung allow Wi-Fi connection. This lets you stream directly via AirPlay, Chromecast, or Alexa / Google Assistant, and often supports multi-room setups. How to connect. Use the brand's companion app, Sonos app, Bose Music, Samsung SmartThings, etc. Connect the soundbar and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Link them in the app. Benefits. Higher quality than Bluetooth. Expandable with extra speakers, smart controls, and voice commands. This is the future of wireless audio, but it requires strong Wi-Fi. Point 7. AUX or RCA. The old school. If you're dealing with a very old TV, your only option might be auxiliary. 3.5mm jack, or RCA, red/white cables. How to connect. Plug the AUX or RCA into your TV's audio out. Connect the other end to your soundbar's audio in. Switch your soundbar to AUX mode. Reality check. Sound quality is limited in surround effects. Only use this as a last resort. Point 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people connect everything correctly but still don't get the right sound. Here are the most common mistakes. Not enabling HDMI CEC/ARC in TV settings. Using a cheap HDMI cable that doesn't support ARC. Keeping TV speakers on along with soundbar. This causes echo. Forgetting to set the soundbar as default audio output. Fix these, and you'll notice a night and day difference. Point 9. Bonus tip. Calibrate for the best sound. Connecting is only half the job. To make your soundbar shine, place it directly under the TV, centered. Avoid blocking the speakers. Use your soundbar's calibration mode. Many have a mic system that tunes the sound to your room. Adjust bass and treble for your preference. Point 10. The final verdict. So, how should you connect your soundbar? If you have HDMI ARC/eARC, always use it. If not, optical digital cable is your next best. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are handy, but think of them as extras, not the main event. At the end of the day, the goal is simple. Turn your flat TV sound into a cinematic powerhouse. Connect it right, and you'll never go back to TV speakers again. Your turn now, it's your move. Check your TV ports, grab the right cable, and set it up. Trust me, once you hear that first thunderous bass drop, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which connection are you using for your soundbar? Because remember, great picture is nothing without great sound.